2 to 3 months before, my friend came to me and said, my height isn't growing. My height has been stopped. Because of this, I am being depressed. Please tell me any tips, brother, through which I can increase my height. After hearing this, I said him, do perform workouts daily and have nutritious foods, and you can grow taller easily. He replied me that I do perform exercises daily and I do eat nutritious food daily, but my height isn't even increasing an inch. Later, I questioned him, did you try all these? So he answered me that yes, I have tried all these things, but my height hasn't increased still. So I went near him and gave him an amazing idea to get taller up to 3 to 4 inches in just 45 days. Later he replied me that he will perform what I said daily without any miss. Later he started performing the techniques I said him daily without even missing a single day. Because of this, it resulted in his height increase up to 3 to 4 inches in just 45 days. Before he met me, his height was about 5 feet 7 inches, but today his height is 5 feet 10 inches. Now, you might be wondering about what did I even tell him through which he got such a height gain. To know this, please do watch this video till end without skipping. If your height is not increasing even after trying all the techniques, please do watch this video till end. Your height will definitely increase up to 3 to 4 inches after watching this video. So let's explore. How do height increase? What should we do to increase height? I know all these informations in detail. When my friend came near me and said his height isn't increasing, I got depressed a lot. When he later said that he was sad, I realized in my mind that there will be lots of people like my friend who are worried a lot because of their short height. So I did lots of detailed research in this topic to know how do height increase, till what age can we increase height. All these topics I studied in detail, and that's the reason why I am explaining you all these things today. Whatever I am going to explain you further are all scientifically proven, so please do follow this video step by step. Now let's discuss the technique I said to my friend through which he got 3 to 4 inches height increase. The idea I gave him was HIIT, that is high intensity interval training. If you have noticed the word high intensity, it means faster rate. Means you should keep your body in high intensity for some interval. If you haven't heard this word before, don't worry. Today you will get a detailed knowledge on this topic. Commonly, 10 minutes of HIIT is equal to approximately 1 hour of workout sections. Means if you perform 1 hour of normal workout in gym and just 10 minutes of HIIT, then both the workouts all approximately each other. In order to increase height, HIIT workouts are very effective to maximum extent. There are 4 HIIT workouts which if you perform in high intensity, then your height will definitely increase up to 3 to 4 inches in just 45 days. And there are much more benefits by these HIIT workouts which you will get to know further in this video. So, the very first exercise is 1. Running. In this workout, what you should do is you should fix a time for what extent you will run. If you decide to run 100 meters, then you should run 100 meters in high intensity or run with full power. Run as fast as you can. Later, you should take rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, rest in the sense you should avoid sitting. After running 100 meters in high intensity, you should slow down and keep walking. Allow your heart rate to get normal, and after running again, do the same rest for 2 to 3 minutes again. Later, you should run 100 meters again with full power and rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat this for about 4 times. When you run with full power, then your pituitary gland gets activated and it releases maximum amount of HGH or human growth hormone. With this, your height gets increased along with helping in weight loss. HIIT will also help in weight loss, which helps you to stay fit. Second workout is 2. Swimming. If you perform swimming in the opposite water direction in the full power, then your height will grow, showing wonderful results. If you have any lakes or rivers near your home, you can perform swimming there. If you don't have any, then don't worry, you can try other exercises. If there, then perform this swimming exercise up to 3 to 4 times with full power. This will result in keeping you in a better shape along with amazing height increase. Before moving further, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to us. And if you have subscribed, then thanks a lot, friends. The third workout is 3. Skipping. Yes, the exercise using rope. In order to perform skipping, you need only one rope. After taking a rope, you should set a 2-minute duration timer in your phone. This depends on your stamina. You can extend timer up to 3 minutes too. After setting the timer, you should perform skipping in high interval till the timer rings. You should perform this exercise completely in high interval. Later, you should rest up to 2 minutes. Repeat the skipping again and again. You should perform this exercise 3 to 4 times in the same way. This exercise helps in maximum release of human growth hormone, which will result in high increase, giving you 100% effective results. And the last workout is 4. Jump. In order to perform this exercise, firstly, you should fix the timer for 30 to 1 minutes approximately. You can set timer according to your capacity. Later, you should stand straight, and further, you should bend your body slightly as same as you can see here. Later, you should jump higher, and after reaching down, jump again and again. You should perform this exercise in a high intensity interval until the timer rings. Later, you should rest for 2 minutes. Repeat the exercise again and again for about 3 to 4 times. And remember, you should perform this exercise wearing a shoe. When you perform this exercise, you can get into shape and reduce your weight too. And you can see a wonderful height increase result in you. Trust me. Comment your doubts below. For more such information regarding height growth, please do like and subscribe to Grow Taller Tips Tricks and hit that bell icon to get notification of our future contents. Start your HIIT today and grow taller. Team Grow Taller Tips Tricks.